Hey guys, myself Afan and welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Fears. I hope you're going good, and in the last video we saw how to use fonts and animations in our website. So today we will see how to link a YouTube video to our website. So before getting started, let me show you how to crop this header part in this uh, structure. So do so. uh, if you consider this as points, if I consider this as my initial point of my header, and let us say this as y-axis and this horizontal line as x-axis, so this point would be like 0 with respect to x-axis and 0 with respect to y-axis. Then coming down all over till here at the top right corner to my second point. So this would be 100% with respect to x-axis and 0% with respect to the y-axis. So then coming down here, when I consider this as my third point, it would be 100% all over till here with respect to x, and when we consider y, it would be like 80%. It is just above 100% completing till here. So we'll consider this point as 0 and 100% and 80%. So then my final point over here at bottom left corner. So this would be 0 with respect to x and 100% with respect to y. So let us see how we can do this. And to do that, let me get into my Sublime code. So I have a property called clip path. So let me just write down. So I'll say clip path, and we have an attribute called polygon, and this is my first point over here. With respect to x, I will be having 0, and with respect to y also 0. So this is my initial point. So what I'll do, I'll say 0 and 0. So then next point all over here. So at my top right corner, this would be 100 with horizontal x-axis, then 0 with y. So I'll say 100 with x and 100 with x and then 0 with y. So similarly, when we come till here, so bottom right corner, so this would be 100 with x horizontal, then vertically it would be 80%. So what I'll do, I'll say 100% of x and 80% of y. So then my final point over here at my bottom left corner, so this would be 0 with x and 100 with y. So I'll say 0 with x and 100 with y. So let us see how this will look for website. So when I refresh this, you can see this has been applied to our website. You can see this path has been clipped. So now let us see how we can link our YouTube video to our website. To do so, we will go to our YouTube, and you can see this share button over here, right? So just click on this, and here you will find an embed option. So click on this and you will get a code over here. Just copy all of this code over here, then get back to your Sublime code, and just below in my HTML document, just below my header tag, I will paste this code, and let us see how this looks. So coming back over here, when I refresh, you can see my YouTube video has been linked to my website. So I want this video to be at the center. So to do so, first thing, I will give it a class name over here. So I'll say class equal to my video, and then I'll come to my styling part. So just below here I will say my video, and inside this, first thing, I need to set the display property to block. So what this does is uh, it will block all of these contents. So it will not allow any other attributes to come within this area. So and then secondly I have to set the margin, not here. So let me get back here. So secondly I will set my margin to 25 pixel by top and right, and I will set auto with respect to left and right. So what this specifies is margin 25 pixel. uh, it gives margin 25 pixel to top and bottom, and this auto uh, gives margin to left and right thing. So first one specifies to top and bottom, and the second one specifies to left and right. You can obviously use margin left, margin right individually, but this shortens the code. So let me tell you what this auto does. If suppose I'm having this width as 100%, so and my video is covering suppose 60%, so my 20% and 20% will be equally divided among left and right side of margin. So when I refresh this, you can see my video has come exactly at the center of my website. So now further you can see a beautiful border coming over here and with some spacing. So to do so I have a property called border, and I will say 3 pixel which represents thickness, and I'll say solid which specifies that the border is opaque, and then I will give the color of my border as black. So when I refresh this, you can see the border has come, but there is no spacing. So what I will say padding to suppose 10 pixels. So when I refresh this again, you will see the padding all to all the sides like top, bottom, left and right. Padding of 10 pixels has been applied to my video. So now let us see how to give the border radius. So here you can see we have some border radius over here. So what we will do, we will say border radius, and I will set it to 25 pixels. So when I refresh this, my border has been applied. So finally let me increase the width of my video. So I will go over here. Here is my width. I will say I will set it to 720. You can even do it over here in my styling, but I have already mentioned it over here, so I will change it over here itself. So when I get back and refresh this, you can see my width of my video is also been increased. So that's it guys for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it, and if so, make sure that you hit the like button. If any questions or any topic that you want me to cover, just comment on and I will make sure that I reach you. And in the next video we will see how to add content and images in our website. So to get some more content on these topics, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Till then, happy coding.